Got a new review on Airbnb? Whether it's positive or negative, knowing how to respond the right way can boost your credibility and attract more guests. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can respond to reviews on Airbnb. First, go ahead and head over into airbnb.com/user/reviews. Locate the specific review and click leave a response below it. When writing your response, keep it professional, polite, and personalized. Even if the review isn't perfect, respond calmly and thank the guest for their feedback. Once you're happy with your reply, click on the post response button and your reply will be visible to future guests. So make sure it reflects your professionalism. For positive reviews, keep it short, friendly, and specific. Negative reviews can happen to every host. The key is to stay calm and avoid being defensive. Acknowledge the issue without making excuses and offer a solution or explain improvements if possible. Responding to reviews on Airbnb isn't just about addressing past guests, it's your chance to show your future guests that you're a thoughtful, professional host. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Airbnb hosting tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.